Aries, what's poppin'? The song that's playing is Me Your Song. You may be dealing with a Leo because Leo started on the song. You don't gotta be though. Regardless though, you may be dealing with a situation. Look, and you can see clearly now in regards to how you feel about a space and or topic or something you invest your time into. You feel me? And now you are on your high horse in regards to what you are passionate about. You no longer are expressing yourself immaturely in regards to what you're passionate about. The first card that came out was Ace of Cups in reverse, but then what fell out after that was the Six of Cups. See, since two cards fell out, I don't know if I want to take it, so I'm going to put it back and I'm going to just call it a shuffle. I'm going to call it a shuffle because two of them flip. We shuffling for Aries. We shuffling. So someone may try to bring you poor feelings and or emotions in order to bring you a situation back into balance with you. It's like someone sees you as their balance, and without you, they lost their balance. Now they want to bring you something or offer you something in order to gain and or maintain the balance they once had in regards to a situation. You feel me? Ooh. Oh, see, there you go. You don't know how to feel about something. Or you don't know how you feel about something. One day you with it, one day you not with it. One day you fuck with it, one day you don't fuck with it. Queen of Coins in reverse. It's like you back and forth mentally about a topic, subject, or person. It's like Me Your Song. It's you one day, you either or on the situation. Back and forth. What you internalize in Aries? It's your feminine energy. Internally, you don't know how to feel about something. Whether you trying to give something the benefit of the doubt or you're in a new space and you don't know how to feel about this space yet. You just entered this zone being a mentality or zone being a third dimensional space that actually like you moved into a new apartment or you got a new crib or a new car or you're just in a new, you feel me? You don't know how to feel about the new you're in yet. Or you've been invested in something for a long time because it is the Queen of Coins. So it's like you've been nurturing something for a while. You've been investing your time and energy, giving something your awareness for a while, and you're still unsure whether it's good for you or bad for you, or whether you just think of it highly or think of it lowly. You feel me? And because you're thinking about new passions, you're thinking about a new direction. Because something makes you passionate, and because of that, you're undecided. You got hate being sober. You may not like being sober right now, whether you overindulging in you smoking, you drinking, or you doing both. I hope that's all you doing, goddamn. Let's not get past drinking. Two of Cups, something you just like, you feel like if you express your emotions in some way, shape, or form, or you may want to express your emotions in some way, shape, or form, to take something to a higher state or a higher realm. Look, someone outside of you may be in it, if this is you versus you, it's like you're unsure about a situation you're investing your time into, putting you in the space to be open or feeling the want to go in the direction of a new, because you got some enlightenment in regards to a space you share with someone or a space you're in, and you can't not see what you saw, and you're stuck with that enlightenment. You feel me? And that it's like what you seen made you unsure about something you were investing your time into, whether you seen something, heard something, felt something. You feel me? Something, your body received a message, and that message got sent to your spirit and your mentality, and then you was like, it shifted your viewpoints on a space. Now it's like you're undecided in regards to how you feel about that space, or whether you want to continue to nurture and express yourself towards that space. You dig what I'm saying? It's like now when you're around this space or when you in this space with these, look, something a burden now. You hate being sober when you in that space. You rather, look, just go ahead and roll up. As soon as you enter a space or as soon as a person or a certain individual or a certain energy type comes in your atmosphere, you already rolling. You already pouring you a cup because you know you can't be sober around this individual or these individuals. You feel me? Or when you just start feeling a certain way. Look, I'm telling you, I told, like, you don't use I just flipped the switch. You was working on something once upon a time, but then the wheel came and you was on the positive side of the wheel. So you may have, it's like you learned the lesson instead of being taught the lesson. You feel me? And you doing that, now you unsure about what you was invested in or what you are invested in. What you are nurturing, what you are giving your energy into, whether you unsure if you negative or positive, and but you thinking of a new direction, and you feeling in the space of going in a new direction, or you just thinking about your future period. It's like you're unsure if something or someone or this space or this mentality will continue to be in my future because of some enlightenment you've gained. Now look, now you're not celebrating something no more. Like I told you, a little bit of uncertainty in regards to how you view or how you internalize a subject, person, place, or thing. Now you feel like you got to make a decision, but you don't want to make one. Aries said, look, because of moon in reverse, I told you, peep game on some shit. Something ain't so good in regards to something what you seen ain't make you happy. We're going to put it like that. Whether it was something someone seen about you and then you became aware that someone seen something about you and that ain't make you happy, or you seen something about a space you involve yourself in, you became aware in regards to a situation or a space you involve yourself in with other people, and what you became aware of, that shouldn't make you feel good at all. I told you, 4 wands in reverse. You do not know how to bring balance, or you just don't want to bring balance to a situation no more. You got to make a decision, but you're not making the decision. Boy, the way that shit grinded. Hey, yo, listen, it landed in reverse, but then it did one of these numbers on my finger and it fell up upright. So, hey, listen, I want you to know what you became conscious of now that it's like you are in the state of manifesting now. You manifested that awareness or that knowledge or that information to become aware of something else in the space you were in. You manifested that. It's like you were wanting to know. Since it's on the bottom, once upon a time, you may have been undecided in regarding to something. But it's like you wanted to know. And the way you become aware of more is when you start seeking more. You feel me? You went in the stage of seeking. In what you were seeking, you found something. What you found you ain't like. But since you were seeking, you were in the wizard state. You feel me? That's the manifesting state. You're putting your passion or your awareness or like your energy into becoming more aware, or manifesting something in the third dimension. Or now that you became aware of something, you view something differently. You don't see something the same, and it's like you can't unsee what you saw. So every time you see these people or you see this space, you already don't feel good because you already see something about it. The baddest. See, you may be in the baddest situation, or you thought you had the baddest, but you got the baddest. You feel me? You're going to have to let me know. Look, you don't want to bring your mentality to something no more. You don't want to go in this new direction with these people, places, things, ideas, feelings. You're going to have to let me know. Put your foot in a shoe that fits you. You may be leaving someone out, or you left something out, or someone left you out because, look, it's a burden. I can't express myself. Look, you can't express yourself emotionally or mentally or third dimensionally when you involve yourself in this space. Someone may not want you to bring death, but hey, you know, yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, Aries. There's no rebirth without death. I'ma fuck with you.